If you're looking for a sign to wax your own sideburns, this is it. Ooh, there was a little blood on this one. Okay, I think I pressed it down enough. Are y'all ready for this? What's good, y'all? I was gonna say I kind of woke up late, but actually no, I did not. So I had a meeting event thing at 10. Call time was at 10, and I got up literally at 9:40 because I was so tired. My family didn't leave until maybe like 1-ish. Yeah, that happened. And then yesterday, like, my cousins came over and they worked out with me, and then we went on a run after, and literally I woke up, and I'm used to working out, but I'm not used to running. Like, I don't do cardio. But we ran around the neighborhood and we have some hills, and so my whole entire body is in pain. My back hurts, my whatever this is called hurts, my quads hurt, my calves hurt, everything hurts. And so when I was getting up, that's why I feel like I slept so amazingly, is because my body was so tired. And yesterday after we worked out, we went to Target and I got some stuff. First, I got these are the Nads facial wax strips. Normally I would wax my upper lip, but I don't do that anymore. I just use a eyebrow blade thing, so that's why I stopped buying these. But I just randomly thought the other day, what if I waxed off my sideburns, because as y'all can see, they're pretty thick. So just like this part, I wanted to rip it off. And then I got these containers. I didn't plan on buying these, but they came with two. They're literally $2 in total. I'm gonna switch it out for I hope this fits actually. I'm gonna switch it out for my drawer in my bathroom, and I'm gonna clean it with some alcohol. And also I'm washing my sheets, so that's why my bed looks like that. And the other night, randomly, I cleaned out my under cabinets underneath my sink, and so I have like other hair products in there. I have hella skincare products that I just messily have lying in a tray, but then I organized it a little bit and I took off all the skincare stuff I had on the counter, so now the counter looks clean. I'm gonna show you guys what it actually looks like. So, and I just have like my soap and my Freo face thing, but that's the only thing I keep up there. And then okay, I straightened my hair, so my straightener's out. But this is the hair bin that I was talking about. I have all of my curling irons and straighteners in here, but this is just kind of ugly, to be honest. And I don't know why we never took the tag off, but yeah. And I also have these bins. We got these from IKEA. And so I fit all of my face mask stuff in here, and then in this is all my skincare serums, toners, oils, face creams, and I'm surprised it all fit in there, so I was really happy with that. In this section, and this is all stuff kind of miscellaneous things, like I have nail polish remover, all my body lotions, and then like hair products, so that's all in there. And don't mind my hella old Disneyland Mr. fan thing that I just shoved in the back, but other than that, I also have cotton balls down here because normally I kept it in the middle, but I need to go to maybe Marshall's or TJ, and I'm gonna find a cute maybe glass jar to put at the top to fill with cotton balls. And here's the drawer. Yeah, so I just have a hella hair product, so I don't even know if these bins will fit. They're kind of huge. Oh my gosh, I have hair everywhere. I'll put those there. I have random floss picks. I forgot I even had these. Y'all, okay, I just want to say, once we get my cabinet sanded down and like painted and all that, and it gets white, or just like literally any other color besides this orange, we're gonna be in business, because I really been organizing underneath and it looks so much nicer now. And my drawer that I just worked on, so much cleaner than what it was before. I couldn't fit this drawer that way like how I had my other one, so I just put it this way, so I had to kind of make do with the bigger bins. I have like my toothbrush and like floss, and then also the brush that I use for face masks, and then my facial roller, and then all in here is my hair stuff, so like my hair clips, scrunchies, hair ties, there's like bobby pins and clips down there, and then I just have like my comb and my hair slicking tools. I'm just getting rid of these bins. So ugly. Hello everybody, my camera's at a really weird angle right now and I can't stand up fully, but if you're here You're probably trying to see me experiment and wax off my sideburns. And you are correct. So I looked up videos of this one girl who did waxing her sideburns at home, and she literally used the facial strips that I used to have, and I was like, you know what, we're gonna do it too. It comes with 24 facial wax strips, so every time you peel it apart it'll be like 2 different strips. You just go crazy. The reason I want to cut it is because, do y'all just see how long it is? It's kind of just ridiculous, and like when I don't gel my hair back, it's just sitting there, and it's like that on both sides. Y'all are gonna experiment with me, or at least watch me do it. I just don't know how high up to go. Hold up. So I'm just trying to section off my sideburns first to make sure that's exactly what I want and nothing too crazy. For this part, I'm gonna just cut this off. Oh my god. Oh my gosh! If you're new to my channel, you can definitely surf through my other videos to realize that I'm a pretty ballsy person, or I guess a better word, I'm a very bold person when it comes to experimenting stuff. All it literally takes is a YouTube video and I'm down. Like, I'll do it if someone else already did it and it worked out pretty good. We're just gonna get witch hazel. This is good for after, but I'm gonna do it before because in the morning I always put lotion on. And I just don't want the wax not to pick up the hair. I'm like, I don't even know if these freaking 2 strips are gonna be enough. I guess I'll face this way because this is what you guys can see, but I'm looking in my mirror too. So I'm gonna place this a little bit below where I really want. This is to give myself a little bit of space up there, little wiggle room, if you will. Okay, I think I pressed it down enough. Are y'all ready for this? Oh my gosh. Y'all, there's literally a patch of no hair because I'm hairy right here, I think. Oh my god. Can I just show y'all how thick my sideburns were? And that's after I cut down my hair. Can y'all see that? It's kind of gross, but your girl is hairy. Okay, so I used a little bit of what was left on the strip and now it's full. But I think I need to use the other strip that came with it, and then I'll use the another 2 for this side because there's just like too much hair going on. Here's what we're working with. I think I'm gonna go up to right here because I already cut it, so I kind of just have to go in. And then right here, I think I still have a little bit of hair left. And then there's a streak, obviously because like I just pulled off hella dead skin too probably. And maybe I'll go like right here just to kind of make sure I get those little extra hairs off. Okay, I think I still need to rip up though, don't I? Shouldn't I be ripping down? I don't know. She said to rip up, so I guess we'll just do that. Maybe what I'll do is come back to this side. Wait, oh my gosh, I'm stupid. That's what she did. I think she did the majority of it, and then she's like, okay, I'll go back to touch it up. Hello, everybody. We have Mita on the...
Oh my gosh. Hello.
I sent her a snap and she was like, I want to see, so I called her. But Mita brought up like a point, and she was talking about like wax strips. I don't know, she's talking about like warming it up in your hand, right? And so it just reminded me that before you peel them apart, you're supposed to rub it together so it creates warmth, so it works better. But I forgot, so we're just gonna use it.
Those are the ones I had. Oh my god.
Yeah, you're supposed to warm it up, and I'm an idiot because I forgot. It literally says just rub. Whatever. It's fine. Okay, so we're gonna go again below the...
Okay. I love how your YouTube channel is like a Get Hairless with Kalia.
Dude, it really is. I was just talking about that earlier.
I just want to remove my hair.
It's fine, it's fine. But you see, like, I have peach fuzz. So
I'm literally scared for you.
Ooh, there was a little blood on this one. Wait, is that
oh my god,
focusing?
you're sharing my too. Oh my gosh. I have 2 little eyebrows right now.
Ow! I think
hey, but it looks a lot better.
No, they're still like... I don't think it's sticking.
So, wait, was that squeaking or was that you going...
Yeah. Yeah, it was. Okay, y'all, so I just finished. I think I'll do a much better job when I do like a touch-up in a few like weeks or days. I don't know how long it's gonna take for this to grow back. My hair grows pretty fast, but hopefully because I waxed it, it won't be as quick. But this is the left side. I think I did a rather decent job on this side, but for some reason, I think it was just maybe because I was sweating or getting hot flashes, the wax was not sticking to my skin. So I feel like I still need to go a little bit higher up on this side. Here is a close-up of my sideburn. There's like a little stubble up here, but it's not that bad. So much sideburn hair. That's pretty much it, y'all. If you're looking for a sign to wax your own sideburns, this is it. Go ahead and do it. I make this Kalia approved. And yeah, I will catch everybody in my next video. Bye, y'all.